Hi everybody, Luca here. Today we're going to make dairy-free, egg-free donuts. It's the school holidays, so I want to make some treats for myself and my family. Let's get started. So now I've got this giant bowl that's empty, and I'm going to put in some soy milk, yeast, warm water, and some brown sugar. So now I'm going to put this soy milk in, just gently. Put this to the side. Now I'm going to sprinkle the yeast. Now we're going to put some warm water in. And for the last step, we're going to put some brown sugar in. And just gently mix it around. Now I'm gonna wait 15 minutes for the yeast to activate. Now that it's been 15 minutes, you can look at the yeast and it looks like there's foam on the top and small little bubbles on the sides. If you see that, that means that the yeast has properly activated. Now that the yeast has activated, we're going to put some flour, oil of your type, and a pinch of salt. And now you should put a little oil. Okay. So spread it out. Just like that. And put a little pinch of salt. And now we will put this all onto the KitchenAid. Now I set my bowl onto the KitchenAid, and we're going to knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes. Now that it's been 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna lift this up and take off the dough. Now that I've kneaded enough, I'm gonna take this off and put the plate over it and put it somewhere warm for the dough to rise. Let's go check out the dough. It looks like it's rised. Now I'm gonna roll it out and make it into some donuts. I'm going to sprinkle the flour onto here so it doesn't stick onto the counter. And spread it out equally. Now I'm gonna put some oil in and heat it up to 160 degrees. So now the input in here, I'm gonna do it for two to 2.5 minutes each side. Now I think these donuts are done.
Well done. Well done.
Now I'm gonna wait for them to cool down and put a glaze on them. Now that I've cooked all the donuts and they're cool enough, I'm gonna make a glaze. So I've got some dairy-free butter here and some powdered sugar. So now I'm gonna put about half of this powdered sugar into this mixture here. Now I'm gonna put at least 5 tablespoons of hot water. Just for a tip, if it's too thick, you can add a little bit more water, but if it's too thin, you can add a little bit more powdered sugar. Now I think this is ready. I'm going to dip the donuts into here. Just about halfway. And another one. I'm going to do 6, and the other 6 will be chocolate glazed donuts. Now that there's been 6, I'm going to make chocolate glazed donuts. Now I'm going to simply add a couple teaspoons of cocoa powder into the mixture. Now I'm going to dip some donuts into here. Now that the donuts are ready, it's time to eat. I'm going to go for one that has sprinkles. That's really good. I like the consistency of it. I think I did this one really well today. Bye. See you next time.